How to get a Ship It Nation free trial. Ship It Nation provides expert insights into daily fantasy sports, DFS strategies, particularly for NFL, NBA, and PGA. While they do not offer a full free trial for their premium membership, they provide a free NFL DFS Showdown mini course that allows users to experience their content before subscribing. Step 1. Access the free mini course. Visit the Ship It Nation website, navigate to the free mini course section, click on Get Free Access to begin the sign-up process. Step 2. Sign up for the free course. Enter your email address in the sign-up form. Complete the registration to receive instant access to the course. Check your email inbox for further instructions. Step 3. Explore the free DFS Showdown mini course. Learn key DFS Showdown strategies including lineup construction and contest selection. Understand game script analysis and how it applies to DFS lineups. Get tips on stacking, correlation, and ownership percentages. Step 4. Consider upgrading to a paid membership. If you find the free course valuable, explore premium memberships that include full DFS projections and ownership reports, slate strategies and core player picks, access to a private Discord community for expert DFS discussions. Choose from all access or single sport memberships based on your DFS focus. Step 5. Cancel or continue, if applicable. Since the free course does not require payment, no cancellation is needed. If you sign up for a paid plan later, you can manage your subscription settings to cancel anytime. By following these steps, you can explore Ship It Nation's DFS strategies through their free mini course and decide if their premium offerings align with your fantasy sports goals.